We've been enjoying summer so far pretty much this entire week, and a little concerned about the weekend forecast, but for now it really does look very, very good. So as you take a look to our west and southwest, you can see some of those storms that are starting to bubble up, even one that kind of bubbled up near Albany today and has moved off the coast of southern Maine for this afternoon and this evening, and it's really losing its steam as it approaches the coast, and I expect that'll be the case throughout the night tonight, watching all of these storms kind of firing up and then moving off to the northeast as we head through the evening hours. All of this action is associated with a cold front that will swing through the area as we get into tomorrow morning, but it looks like we're sitting pretty where we are here in eastern Mass, especially for the beaches. And if you have a Cape getaway for this weekend, watch what happens with the timeline here. Most of the reds and the yellows that you see there staying well to the northwest of Worcester even. Maybe some of those pops of showers moving in for the early hours of tomorrow morning, but then they slide on out. And by the time I think everybody's heading out for their plans tomorrow, we've got bright sunshine back in the forecast for us. A few clouds here and there, but really a picture perfect weekend after we make it through the early hours of tomorrow. Now the temperatures today pretty toasty as you got away from the coastline, in the mid 80s, only in the mid 70s for Boston right now, but we do have sort of an onshore flow. If you can see these arrows here coming in off of the coast, once this southerly component kicks in for us, we could see those temperatures in Boston kick up another notch or two. So I still think there's a possibility that we could get up to 80 degrees for the game tonight. So prepare for a warm one. It stays warm throughout that game if you're headed to Fenway. For tonight, mild and a touch muggy for us. Those scattered storms, best chance to the northwest once again for us. Maybe a few sprinkles for Boston, but even early tea time tomorrow looking good. 75 to 84. Look at those temperatures, toasty again away from the coastline. I do think it is a fantastic beach day, but we will be stuck in the 70s for those coastal locations with an onshore flow. How about a big drop in temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and another chance for the lawn to get a drink of water Monday, Tuesday as well, with some scattered showers on the way. Here's a look at my 7-on-7 forecast. It looks like 80 is back in the picture, though, after we get that cool down to start the week. See you in a few minutes.